What are you doing? You're taking a video?
Yes. I want to show everyone that you're a maniac.
Who's everyone?
I don't know. Your mom?
I'm not a maniac.
You're
I just like playing computer games
obsessed.
for a long time.
You're obsessed.
I'm not obsessed.
You've been playing that for days.
You liar. It's only been like an hour and a half.
You haven't slept in 3 days.
Don't spread lies. I'll have you arrested.
By who?
By the police.
What police? Ours?
Yes.
You're so useless.
I wouldn't say that if I were you.
Why not?
I want to put that on the internet anyways. Because
Why?
they'll kill you.
Who?
Your police.
Yeah, that might happen.
They're all drug dealers.
And look, everyone. He's playing a computer with pink hearts.
What are you talking about?